Okay, today I'm making buffalo chicken dip, and the first thing I'm going to do is cook my chicken. I have 3 bone-in chicken breasts, and I'm just going to cook them in a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to cover it to let it kind of simmer a little bit. Then once they're done, I'm going to pour out that grease, and then I'm going to add 1 quart of heavy cream to my skillet. After that, I'm going to add in 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, and I'm just going to whisk that down until it's fully incorporated. Once that cheese has melted, I'm going to season everything with some garlic powder, onion powder, and a little black pepper. I'm not seasoning this too much because it's dip. I don't want it to be over seasoned. After I add my seasonings, I'm just going to shred my chicken over to the side and toss it in some buffalo sauce and then add that back to my skillet. And to add a little richness to this dip, I'm going to add in some Buttermilk Ranch. And the last thing I'm going to add to this before I bake it is some mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to add a handful and mix that in well. Once I'm done cooking my dip on the stove, I'm going to add it to a greased aluminum pan. You can use a square one or a circle one, doesn't matter. And then I'm going to top it with some shredded mild cheddar cheese. And I'm just going to broil it for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to put it at the very bottom of the stove for another 5 minutes just to get it nice and bubbly and crispy on top. And that is it.